Welcome back, my friends, to another job lead video. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay and I search the internet to bring you the best work from home job leads daily. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you do so. Also, I just want to quickly say thank you for everyone who has been commenting on my videos. I welcome all comments and suggestions about how I can make these videos better and improve them and improve the job leads I am delivering, as I always want to be helpful to you and not waste your time. So I will try to be very quick with this one. If this is helpful, please do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up like button, as that just helps give me feedback on how I am doing. But let's just dive on in. The streaming app FuboTv, it brings you streaming with TV and live sports as far as like ESPN. They are hiring a work from home remote chargeback specialist. Now this is for United States viewers only. FuboTv is the world's only sports-focused live TV streaming service. They have Fox, NBC, CBS, among others, and they have apps on Android, iOS, Fire TV, Roku, and etc. So this is a fully remote position, and you will be performing credit card chargeback resolutions to ensure timely, accurate, and effective processing of fraud and dispute claims. So you'll provide evidence when merchants request for information before it becomes a chargeback, merchants being the credit card companies. You will ensure adherence to the deadlines that are met for all your claims. So you will have to research in depth and investigate into transactions of fraud or disputed claims and provide evidence of those claims. Because you have to provide evidence of those claims, you need to be proficient in Windows or Mac OS screenshot programs, Microsoft Office, and the Adobe Reader. They're also looking for someone who has strong analytical skills and ability to work accurately with billing transactions, someone who has clerical, technical, or administrative experience, and someone who is able to work independently with minimal supervision. Now, for this position, you must be able to speak, read, and write professionally in English, and you need to be flexible with the hours that you can work. You need to be available for all shifts, including weekends, holidays, and emergency shifts as required, but they do not state exactly what those shifts are. A few perks and benefits of this position are they say they provide a highly competitive compensation based on experience and market standards. So the pay is going to range depending on what state you live in, and it is not posted in the job description. They do provide up to 100% coverage of health, dental, and vision insurance for your employees. So a fully paid package that you don't have to pay premiums for. They also provide you with a free FuboTv account, so you get free streaming services, and it says unlimited paid time off is a regular company-wide activity. If you made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Make sure you have your notifications turned on so you never miss the best job leads as soon as they are posted. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.